Stop! Before you bring another listening device into your home, watch this. We tested the top 5 smart speakers of 2026 for sound quality, privacy, and AI intelligence. Number 4 has a secret feature no one talks about. And number 1 is so smart, it might just replace your phone. All product links for your buy are in the description. Like, share, and subscribe before we reveal the winner. Starting at number 1. Google Nest Audio. Our favorite smart speaker. Overall, Google Assistant is our go-to smart speaker and helper of choice, so it's no surprise that the Nest Audio is our overall pick. It's got a compact, pillow-like shape and great sound that will easily fill small and medium-sized rooms. We really like using 2 Nests as a stereo pair because they combine to offer some of the best audio quality you can achieve in a smart speaker for $200. As with all Google Assistant-powered devices, you can ask the Nest Audio to set timers, play music, or tell you the weather, and you can ask it anything you'd search on Google. The Google Home app makes it easy to pair up the speakers with any other Google-friendly smart device you have too. Google's ecosystem is overall easy to use and easy to integrate into tons of other products, both from Google itself and others. Google has announced that this smart speaker will be compatible with its new assistant, Gemini for Home, which is starting to roll out in early access. This assistant will replace the current Google Assistant and will be free, but some features will require a subscription. There will also be a new flagship smart speaker, called the Google Home Speaker. Yes, that's the same name as the original smart speaker from Google in 2016, launching in spring 2026 and retailing for $99. While it's the same price as the Nest Audio, it's a similar size to the Nest Mini, so we're curious how the two will compare down the line. Number 2. Amazon Echo Dot Max. Best Mini Smart Speaker. Amazon has the biggest suite of smart speakers, and our new top Alexa speaker is also the best miniaturized one. The 4-inch tall Echo Dot Max. Amazon's Echo Dot devices have done well in our tests again and again over the years, so it's not a huge surprise that the newest one is another hit. It's got a higher price tag than past models, but packs impressive sound and a smart home hub, 2 things we usually don't see on such small smart speakers. The buttons have moved to the front of the device on a dust cap-looking panel, but there are also tap controls at the top to instantly pause or play your music. You can also still shop the 5th Gen Echo, $50, if you're looking for something small on a budget. It's still a good little speaker that has improved bass compared to older generations, but not nearly as powerful as the Dot Max. Number 3. JBL Authentics 200. Best third-party smart speaker. JBL's Authentics 200 is a smart speaker that speaks to both Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, letting you switch between the two for different tasks without having to swap your preference in the app. That makes this speaker particularly appealing for folks with a sprawling collection of smart products from both, or folks who are worried about investing in an ecosystem they might switch out of. However, it's not determined yet if it'll be compatible with the newer Gemini for Home Assistant, but that assistant will only be in early access this fall. The 200's vintage-inspired foam grille and handy control knobs add a sweet retro vibe, but it's the sound quality that really makes this speaker a winner. We put it head-to-head against some of the best, including the Sonos Era 300 and Era 100, and found it sitting pleasantly in between them, making it among the best-performing smart speakers for the money we've heard. With good looks, a big brain, and uncommon versatility, the Authentics 200 is a sharp contender in a crowded field. Number 4. Sonos Era 100. Best for sound quality. We've been big fans of Sonos compact smart speakers for 3 generations now, with its previous Sonos One topping this list for years. With the Era 100, Sonos expands the best smart speaker to stereo and ups the bass, with new tweeters and a 25% larger woofer that do an even better job of filling your room with sound. It's got tons of great features, from built-in room tuning and multi-room audio support. The Bluetooth connectivity offered by the Era 100 means you can even wirelessly connect a turntable. If you want to keep things wired, the USB-C port on the back of the Era 100 lets you connect other devices with a dongle. As with its predecessor, you're able to use a couple of Era 100s as surround speakers with Sonos soundbars in your home theater, and you can pair 2 Era 100s for use as stereo speakers. It's worth noting that Sonos was in a bit of hot water in 2020 over the fact that its older speakers weren't going to get software updates. There is now a fix to support legacy hardware, but unfortunately, this is a reality for computer-powered speakers. Unlike their analog predecessors, you can't expect them to last forever. Sonos smart speakers, however, have a track record of lasting longer than anything else we've tested, and that will likely continue in the Era. My only complaint is the lack of Google support, and I expect that to remain true as Google switches from Google Assistant to Gemini for Home. The Sonos One had it, but the Era 100 does not. It does support Alexa and Apple AirPlay too, so if you use either of those, you're in luck. Number 5. Sonos Beam, Gen 2. Best Smart Soundbar. Sonos 2nd Generation Beam is the best smart soundbar you can buy right now. It might look similar to the 1st generation model, but it's got major sound upgrades. It's easy to use with other Sonos speakers as a multi-room audio system, too. The Beam also has plenty of inputs, has immersive Dolby Atmos, and pairs with both Alexa and Google Assistant, unlike Sonos' newer speakers. We'll have to see if the Beam remains compatible with Google as it moves from Google Assistant to Gemini for Home, though. That's your 2026 smart speaker lineup. Which one is going on your nightstand? Comment below. Grab yours using the links in the description before the prices jump. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more 2026 tech showdowns. Trust me, you don't want to miss next week's video. See you there.